So you have your impact hitch. One thing to note about this is it does come with 2 hitch pin holes for length adjustability. It does come with an anti-rattle. It is a dual bump cushion. And the unique thing about a Shocker impact is you can run it this way for more rise, or you can run it this way for more drop. Let's go ahead and hook it up here. And we are going to install the anti-rattle. And so Brian's going to help me real quick with that. But essentially you have this U-bolt and a plate. You want to hook up these nuts. And then we're going to tighten it. And that will keep it from rattling. So we're all hooked up, so the hitch is going to rattle. And of course, we have dual bump cushions. We're going to hook up the ball mount. Couple of things to note on the Red Series impacts is that the hitch rating is on the frame, which in this case, this one, it's 14,000 pounds per trailer weight. But always remember that your towing capacity is limited by your lowest rated component. I'm going to attach our combo ball. It has a 2 5/16 inch ball and also a 2-inch ball. My trailer has the bigger ball, so I'm gonna do that first. Put in my attachment pins with clips. That's it.
To learn more or to find a dealer near you, visit us at shockerhitch.com.